so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and
Hello teacher, my name is Vanita Gao. Your next name is Star. Hello everybody, welcome to ทะเลเวก or สันหลังมังกร beach. Okay, let's go. Salang Mangkon Beach is located in Tanjongpo Sub-District, Mueang Stun District, Sutun Province. It is a sandy beach in the middle of the sea that was formed by by the depositions of millions of shell remains until becoming a walking patch of more than 4 kilometers connecting of islands of Huaman and Got Sam in the middle of the Andaman Sea. If you look at Spy Dragon's beach will be like a movement. About 500 million years ago, as volcanic eruptions, when it's cool, it turned into red cobblestone in Baganyai village, discovered by the Department of Mineral Resources. As Lord tried its red pepper grass right above the water. The head in France is flanked by the village Iceland. The terrible winters along the water in the long flight extending into the sea. Salang Mangkon Beach can only be seen as low tide. By the low tide, its water will collide with each other and look like dragon scale when viewed from a distance. Then it will gradually ascend along grandeur. In the middle of the sea, it is only unseen. In the Stern Province, with the special spine dragon beach full of shell, walking along the dirt is like walking on the crystalline dragon spine, because the sunlight shines down on the sand through sure and we can take 30 minutes boat ride from Ban Baganyai to see the unseen beach of Salang Mangkon.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't.
In addition, the area of the Dragon Spire, there will be a big bargain village that will welcome and serve tourists by friendly activity. Here, not just visiting Salang Mangkon Beach, not only has activities such rafting, bird watching, boating, to see a nature realizing crabs and planting mangrove and eat fish seafood. Yum, 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 yum.
Yo, what's up? Yo, we're hosting tonight. Free? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going on.
ทะเลเเหวก is colloquial term for an Iceland in the Tanjongpo community เมืองStone District which is at water in the distance of the Andaman Sea when the tide rises like a tide gibbons when the tide rises like a tide gibbons way for a tide center to emerge with its sandbar will the remains of millions of shell piles are resisting in the spreading patch longer than 3 kilometers can connect to another islands or like on Asia dragons swooping into the next or like an Asia dragon swooping into the water. Let's walk on the spine of the dragon that most beautiful handed oranges of the name of the beach, Dragon Beach. Tourists can take a long tri-boat tour at Banbagan-Khơi Pier, Tanjongpo Sub-District, Merstone District, which takes only 20 minutes. A small island in the same area and stop to experience in lifestyle of the sea people at Pulau Ubi as well. Thank you for listening to the end. Bye bye.